So from here, we want to spark interest. We never communicated with this lead. We want to win the competition. Many advisors are already aiming their guns at him. So what are we going to do is use the pre-made prompts to AI. And in this case, that's under section income and retirement planning. And we want to get the simple pre-meeting explainer titled what annuities can do for you. I'll run the quote and we'll see what we'll have in a second.
So a lot of it, we're trying to add value from the very get-go. And so we're standing out amongst the crowd. How can we add value before we actually start talking about specific solutions? And this is one way built in for that.
And the system goes into our quoting engine, to our annuity database, to our annuity calculators, and it has access to all of the tools that you would normally use before AI, manually populating filters, entering information. And right now you'd have to do nothing, just wait for a couple of minutes until AI got the quotes, until it reasoned about product differences, all the parameters, and it's coming up with a beautiful client-facing report done for you and for the client. What annuities can do for you? Would you explain how it makes us spark interest with the client, Danny?
Yeah, so basically what this is, again, typically people, it's prospective clients where they're looking at specific annuities or they're just looking at income options. I think nowadays with how the market's been in volatility, they're looking for protection. And so with this, you're basically trying to hit on those kind of key points and potentially pique some interest that will make them then want to continue that conversation with you. And so that goes back to how can I create value from the very get-go and separate myself to pique interest and then get them to want to continue this conversation, to schedule a meeting and kind of continue the process. A lot of the stuff that we're doing right now and showing is pre-sales and basically creating a sales process. I think a lot of the times, if you look at anything, especially when it comes to sales, your success is around what your sales process is. And that's what we really push with our product, is to add a built-in sales process that's plug and play. It basically allows you to go out and do your thing as far as generating interest and then plugging into an actual sales process that puts you in a position to have the most opportunity for success.
And how do you like the report so far? We have some nice charts here. We have concepts like problems that most people don't see coming, paycheck. And this report can be any report generated inside Annuities Genius, can be downloaded as a PDF, branded for you, including all these charts and other things that you want to do.